Hey everyone, Chris Engler from CyberGrapes Services. WordPress 7.0 has launched and has given us a new tool called AI connectors where we can connect with Claude, Gemini, or OpenAI, or another thing is ChatGPT, as you know it as. And I'm going to give you an overview of it. All right. So this is my first time using it. So I know nothing about it other than when you log into your WordPress dashboards underneath settings, you will see a new thing called connectors. So when I open that up, it gives me this beautiful little screen. It says install the AI. So what the AI plugin. So what are we doing? So the AI plugin can use your AI connectors to generate featured images, alt text, titles, excerpts, and more. So learn more. We're going to go here and we can see what that learn more is. So I will do a deeper dive into those things later. But for now, we're just going to hit install. Okay, so control features in the AI plugin. Let's click on that and see what we got. Okay, so it requires a valid AI connector to function properly. Verify you have one or more AI connectors configured. All right, so let's just go to manage connectors again. Oh, takes us back to this screen. So I do happen to have an OpenAI API key. Oh, you see that? So I'm going to have to edit this out of the video, but I'm going to just do it here. It's connected. So now I'm going to go back to control features in the AI plugin. And what do we have here? So do we want to do image generation editing? Absolutely. So OpenAI is very good at doing that. Generate and image, edit images using AI, require an AI connector that includes support for image generation models. Yep. I'm going to turn that on. Ooh, it won't let me turn it on. Oh, look at this. So configure the AI features, experiments for your WordPress site. You got to enable this. Boop. All right. One step down. That was kind of hidden up in that corner there. So image generation and editing, absolutely. All right. So what do we want to do? Oh, so it's editor experiments. So this feature's new. So right now, as of this moment, so AI experiments for the block editor, including content generation and enhanced tools. Do we want to do content classification? So it's suggestions for posts, tags, and categories based on content analysis. Requires an AI connector that includes support for text generation models. Yep. Boom, turn that on. Only suggest existing terms, suggest new terms based on content. Oh, yeah. And maximum suggestions, I would say maximum suggestions is 7. Once people get past 7, they're overloaded. So I'm going to save that. Content resizing, shorten, expand, or rephrase selected block content requires an AI connector that includes support for text generation models. The OpenAI one is. I honestly don't think that between OpenAI, which is, ChatGPT, or Google, which is Gemini, and Claude or Anthropic, you know, I think they all have the text generation models. And where am I going with that? Is it's a weird disclaimer. So it sounds to me like it's going to open up to other connections at some point. But right now, they only gave us 3 options. It sounds like 3 options have that. So we're going to do the content resizing. Say, yep, sure. All right. Excerpt generation. So generates an excerpt suggestions from the content, requires an AI connector, blah, blah, blah. All right. So what an excerpt is when you basically do your whole page. And you're like, okay, like create a summary paragraph at the top. That's what that is. So I'm going to say absolutely. So alt text generation. So alt text is great for SEO and people with disabilities, or when an image fails to load. So I'm going to say absolutely generate alt text, because this is a thing that people miss all the time, including myself when I'm working fast. So generate alt text for images using AI vision models following common web accessibility guidance. So again, accessibility is for people with disabilities like myself, like being colorblind. Some images I won't be able to see it. So an alt text is very helpful. So I'm going to say, yep. So meta description generation. So we're going to generate meta description suggestions and integrate those with various SEO plugins. Meta description generation. So I'm going to say, yeah, absolutely. So meta descriptions is what, when you do like go to Google or Bing and you search for webmaster services, and you'll get Cybergrapes list it, and you'll see the title and that little description underneath. That's a meta description. All right, editorial notes. So adds editorial suggestions, the post blocks by block covering accessibility, readability, grammar, and SEO. Yeah, boom, let's do it. Editorial updates applies pending editorial notes to your content automatically. We'll try it. All right, so content summarization summarizes long form content into digestible overviews. Oh, I like that one. That sounds good. And then title generation, so it generates title suggestions from your content. Perfect. So all of these things I think is a great idea to help with this. And then admin experiments. Ooh, AI powered experiments for the WordPress admin area, including exploration and testing tools. Abilities Explorer, discover, inspect, test, and document all abilities registered via the WordPress Abilities API. I don't even know what the WordPress Abilities API is, and I've been using WordPress since 2004. Okay, so I'm going to say yes to that, and then I'm going to have to explore what it actually is. All right, connector approval. So requires explicit administrator approval for before plugins or themes can use AI connectors configured on this site. Note this is experimental, proof of concept features, and such issues may be encountered. Feedback welcomed. So connector approval, I'm definitely going to say yes to that. I don't want people to develop plugins maliciously that tap into my or your OpenAI key or any other API key that you're going to use that just like somehow runs their stuff and gives them information where you're paying the cost, right? So I'm going to say yes to that. And now that they have it, now I'm thinking, boy, there's a malicious you could do something malicious here, and an admin can protect you against it, which is good. All right, AI request logging. Logged AI requests for observability and debugging. View detailed logs under tools. Oh, I'm gonna have to jump into that one. But yeah, I'm gonna say for sure. Plugins, stuff, themes, they break all the time, and those logs, they really help someone like myself troubleshoot for clients. All right. So comment moderation, automatically moderate comments based on toxicity detection and sentiment analysis. Oof. I'm going to turn that on. So I'm going to tell you on cybergrapes.com, I have comments turned off because comments are so horrible. So, like I find that the only people commenting are bots. And the bots are like, buy these pills or buy, like anyway, it's bad content. So the comment moderation there sounds amazing. So I've enabled all those. It looks like I'm gonna have to do videos or tutorials and even catch myself up on what all of this stuff is. So anyway, just in a summary, what I have found is that we have this in WordPress 7.0, we have something called connectors. And if we click on, it's underneath settings. So settings, connectors, we can add a plugin here. And we can connect Anthropic, which is Claude, Google. They don't say that it's, well, I think they do. So we have Google, we have Gemini with their image gen, and we have OpenAI with their GPT and DALL-E. So OpenAI is my weapon of choice. I've already connected it. And then underneath here, we go into AI, and that again gives us the abilities that are described here. All right. And in order to enable it, don't forget to miss or don't miss this thing in the upper right corner, because I totally missed it. And hopefully this video helps you. So let's explore together. I'm interested in hearing your comments, questions, etc., and we can learn. And I'll do more videos for it. Okay. Hope this is helpful. I will see you all later.